Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
JavaScript. Module 10, Building a Complete Project. Module 10 on building a complete project in JavaScript would typically cover a comprehensive approach to creating a fully functional application from start to finish. Here's a theoretical breakdown of what such a module might include. 1. Project planning and architecture. A. Understanding project requirements and defining goals. B. Designing the architecture of the application, including data flow, components/modules, and user interfaces. 2. Setting up development environment. A. Choosing appropriate development tools and frameworks, e.g., IDEs, version control systems, package managers. B. Configuring the development environment for efficient coding and debugging. 3. Front-end development. A. Implementing user interfaces using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. B. Incorporating modern front-end frameworks/libraries like React, Angular, or Vue.js for building interactive and dynamic UI components. C. Handling user input, form submissions, and client-side validation. D. Ensuring responsive design and cross-browser compatibility. 4. Back-end development. A. Creating server-side logic using Node.js, Express.js, or other back-end frameworks. B. Setting up RESTful APIs or GraphQL endpoints for communication between the front-end and back-end. C. Implementing authentication and authorization mechanisms. D. Integrating with databases, e.g., MongoDB, MySQL, for data storage and retrieval. 5. Database management. A. Designing database schemas and models. B. Performing CRUD, create, read, update, delete, operations. C. Implementing data validation and ensuring data integrity. D. Optimizing database queries for performance. 6. Testing. A. Writing unit tests and integration tests for both front-end and back-end components. B. Conducting manual testing to identify and fix bugs. C. Implementing continuous integration/continuous deployment, CI/CD, pipelines for automated testing and deployment. 7. Deployment and hosting. A. Deploying the application to a production environment. B. Configuring server infrastructure, e.g., AWS, Azure, Heroku. C. Setting up domain name and SSL certificates for secure communication. 8. Performance optimization. A. Analyzing application performance using tools like Lighthouse, Chrome Dev Tools, or New Relic. B. Optimizing front-end assets, e.g., minification, compression, lazy loading. C. Implementing caching strategies to reduce server load and improve response times. 9. Monitoring and maintenance. A. Setting up monitoring tools, e.g., Prometheus, Grafana, Sentry, to track application metrics and errors. B. Performing regular maintenance tasks such as security updates, performance tuning, and bug fixes. C. Collecting user feedback and iteratively improving the application based on user needs. 10. Documentation and collaboration. A. Writing comprehensive documentation for codebase, APIs, and deployment procedures. B. Collaborating with team members using version control systems, e.g., Git, GitHub, and project management tools, e.g., Jira, Trello.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.